Welcome back to another Click tutorial. My name is Jasper and I'm the CTO here at Click, and what we're going to be going through today is how to connect DallE to Bubble. So we'll be creating AI generated images through Bubble using OpenAI's DALL-E API. So let's jump in. So what we've got here is a empty application, and what we're going to do is we're first going to come across to plugins. We're then going to go add plugin, and we're going to find API connector. It's a free plugin there, so you install, exit out, and as you can see we've got just this blank area, so we're going to go expand and call this OpenAI. Great. And then we're going to jump across over here to OpenAI, and this is in their API document references. So this is for images and that uses DALL-E, and what we're going to do here is just copy. And I will leave a link to this documentation page in the description of the video, so if you need to access it you can. Now if we come back across, we're going to go import another call from CURL, and then we're just going to paste it in there and go import. Great. And then we're going to change the name. We're going to change it to DallE. We're going to make it an action so that we can use it in our workflows. And then what we're going to need to do is add our API key in here. So we're going to get rid of that. I'm going to come across. Boom, there we go. And then as we've got here, we've got the actual body of the JSON post request. Now we've got the model, so DALL-E, so we don't need to change that. But then we've got the prompt. Now we're going to want to use this later on throughout the application. So we want to add in some dynamic values, and that's using these two arrows here. So let's get the whole thing here. Go copy, and then we're going to go, let's say prompt. Nice and simple. And then as you can see, it pops up here, and we're going to put a value, and we're going to not make it private. And what we will do is make these two values private, so no one needs to see your API key or this. So we'll make this unprivate so that you can see it. Now let's see what we can do when we go initialize call. Takes a little bit of time. Let's go show raw, and there we go. So we've got a URL. So great, we've got our response. As we can see, it's located here in the data. We're going to go save, and then we're going to come back across the design, and then what we're going to do is we will put down a input, and then we'll also put in a button, and then after that we will put in a image as well. And then after we've done that, we'll come across to the actual page itself, go into its set state, we'll remove that, that's from a previous tutorial. We'll go add new custom state, and we'll call this image generated. And then what it will be is a, let's call it a image, I guess. Yeah. Great. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to call this input prompt, this button send, this response image. We're going to set response image dynamic image, and we're going to go find that page, so index, image generated, and that's all. Now we're going to come across to the button here, change the text to send. We're going to go add workflow, come across to plugins, and we'll see here we've got OpenAI DallE, and we'll get our prompt. So what we're going to want to do is change that to input prompt, so we get that value that's in that input field, and then we're also going to want to go JSON safe. So that's so it puts the brackets at the end and it formats any special characters as JSON formatted safe. So it's what you need to do. And now that we've sent that request, we're going to want to update the page. So we go index, and we go image generated, and we'll go result of step 1, data. I believe it was the last item. Oh wait, no, we'll go first item, sorry. First item, URL. Now let's see what happens. So if we go back here, we'll go preview, And then we'll go here and go nice red picture of a dragon. Go send. Oh, got an error. Okay, so how about we go dragon? It didn't like the prompt. And there we go. So now we've got a picture of dragon. So just like that, in the matter of minutes, you've connected up OpenAI's DallE to your Bubble application. And it's really just that simple, getting that API connected and allowing you to send requests through. If you're interested in getting a AI application built or something to do with Bubble or AI in general, don't hesitate to reach out. You can get in touch through my agency that I'm the CTO at, through the link in the description or the comment section. Thanks for watching another video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.